this is the front of the box, Jetfire and the jet mode. So these are all what's in the box. Yeah, you can put them together and put this on, and this would be a stand where, you know, if you want to display him in jet mode, yeah, wait, this goes on here first. So if you want to display him that, it also comes with two of this fire or thrusters that comes out of the exhaust. You can put that on here. Or you can put them on the blasters. Maybe just one at a time. He also comes with 3 face plates. This is the regular robotic mask on face based on the Macross Robotech. And this is a smiley face. And you can see that there's just a hole there that you can peg that in. And this is like a serious looking face, questioning face. 2 extra chest piece, a Decepticon because he was once a Decepticon. You can remove this part and change the symbol to a Decepticon, or just put a plain white one. He also comes with 3 smaller Autobots. These are very loose joints, just a very thin joint there, as you can see. And even here, very thin joint, no leg, but really movable though. Even the knees are movable, bendable, and you can see the detail even though it's a small scale. You can also bend the elbows. So that's Optimus. Nice looking jazz for a very small scale. Wheeljack, mechanic, also made to scale, and he has a blaster on. So these are made to scale. You can put one of them in the cockpit if you want. And there's Jazz in the cockpit. Here, like a duck. One of them, a duck. You can put them on and hide them. So wings can be folded and expanded. There we go. And that's the jet mode. And this is a storage here. You can store the faces here. And the chest piece. This one can be bent. For a different mode, Macross mode. with the gap in between. First up, we'll fold that and hide all the landing gears. Go. Pull this out. This out. Pull the leg out. Pull the leg out. Tap this in here. And then swing the leg forward. Good ratchet. This could be another mode to display this. You know, just like the Macross. Just to rebuild this one. And then you can pull the arm out. And there we go. You can close that back. And once you have this on, push that little thing back down, align it properly, and then this would slide into that little rail there. There we go, finally. And then it should be hidden there. And once they can freely move the part, and this part here, this should tap in there. Once it's all lined up in place, then it should just go smoothly. There. Now there's a part here that you need to slide out. And this would tap in place there. So it's like a 3-piece accordion. So there's a hole there and a tab there. Just tap that in place. Once that's done, this one also tabs here. Other side. There we go. Now for the hands. Turn it. Here we go. And then turn this. That's the front. Now for the wings, you can push this together and fold this one and then push it into that one, hide it in place and lock it up. That would be his backpack. And you can fold this part swing it up. And also swing the whole thing up, slide it up. And then slide this up as well to lock it in place. And you can store the wings. You can also push the thrusters in a bit. And there he is, Jetfire Skyfire. So to remove the face, just pull this out. And can put a smiley face on him. Also pull that out and put the robotic face on him for a more Macross look. Or a serious looking face. You can also, like I said, remove this piece here and swap it with a Decepticons one. Or if you want it as a Macross, just put a blank one. The guns can be held in place. All the digits are articulated. Joints, open his arms all the way up there. There's also a joint here, wrist joint, elbow joint, torso, not much, leg joint, back, not much, knee joint, and of course the foot. Really nice piece based on the G1. And you can still store the little Autobots there if you want. And like I said, that's Jetfire. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and feel free to watch my other videos. It's quite big.